What? The world, it's not a plan. You hear me now, man? Hey, franchise the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know when I represent, you don't know it go already. A full effect thing. I know no most I wonder where 10-star come from so early in the morning. I work me I come from, brother. And here I go on. I now go back to work till Tuesday morning. You don't know, no lollipop thing. And if you know when you're a general like 10-star and a single father like me, you know you have to dig your shit, because when you don't like take talk or you know kiss ass, you have to make sure you're there on top of things. You see me? You can't fucking stretch out your hand and have a whole heap of big chat and bossy chat. No. You see me? So when you're up bossy, when you're up bossy and all up on yourself, you know you have to dig your shit them. Right. Yes. The reason why I celebrate dope, you know. The whole of the ladies them me hear I said a song that was Vybz Kartel drop. Dope. You see me, so I celebrate it the whole week. Because I don't have to tell you no, the whole of trending shell way, hotter than we held. And I know lollipop thing. You see what I deal with. But right about now, you know, me's a man, you know, I want to know all of the big artists them, dancehall and reggae artists them who have name and who have people will listen to them and have a huge audience. Right now, you know, I don't really hear them come out and I say free world boss, you know. So let me tell you some guy this, you know, let me tell you something in a Gaza nation. You don't need, you know. You don't need, you know, to tag World Boss that video up on him IG, you know, because I need to see what I go on, because I hear what I go on. I don't sponsor which artist. You can't stay in your house and say free World Boss. You don't come out public with that. You see what I deal with? No, rise up, not up on the internet. So I don't know if some boy I say them no want to lose them visa. And whosoever look visa no want them bant on them. And who come like say well then them no want to be a part of it because them watch the system. Yo, let me ask you something. When World Boss free, you not go talk about yo a long time I pray for you, my brother. Yo, when World Boss free, you know, enough of you are staying in the house and know the truth, you know. And I hide behind the truth in our house, you know. You can't come loud with that, you know. And you can't come loud when Gaza Nation have them big celebration, you know. You can't be a part of it, you know, my brethren. And then a lollipop thing, you know. You know I deal with my thing different, you know. We not beg this, you know, my brethren. So when we sound the big thing, them, you know, and a loud explosion we deal with, you know. So I want you to know, you know. Say, yo, you know, I left the boss now, say nothing, you know, about it, you know. 10-star, I got sound the big thing, them, you know. To make you know, you know, sound a pussy, you know. Somehow, you know, what hide in our house and I hide behind the truth, you know. And you now come forward, you know. You know, they ever go for an interview, but say that. You see what I deal with? You don't go for no interview go say that. And you don't say that on the platform. No, you don't come out on IG and say that. So I see what you wait for. If I free, you wait till the boss free. If you come tell the boss, say, yo, a long time you don't pray for him. And a long time this and a long time that. Long time you don't bum buckler. You see, Kanye West come to Jamaica and I say, everybody and them bum buckler, mama. Run out, right? Right? You know, run out. And I said this and I said that. I want to warm to the freedom of Bumbuckler World Boss. That I want to know. You know what I mean? Jamaican pick me. That I want to know. Let me tell you something, you know. You have some local fascists, you know, who work on the radio station of Jamaica, you know. Let me tell you something. You can't get up Jamaica, you know, at the land, you know. of reggae and dancehall music, you know. Don't forget that, you know. And don't forget, say, you know, it's not political act, you know. No coat, no crack, you know. Remember, say, Rasta put bumbo clock Jamaica on top, you know. You hear that? So here we are going. Right about now, you know, when you look at this Jackie boy on the radio, you know. But when you get up every day and I play beer ass clad international music. I not say you know if we play them, you know. But if you remember say Jamaica, a dancehall and reggae music on Jamaica, your bumbo clot established that first. You hear that for season. But now run and play a whole heap of R&B and hip hop music like you know, what the fuck you think you know dealing? They think them thing they play upon the they think na blood clot dancehall music play upon certain channel in America unless it's a bumbo clot crossover hit, unless it's a big hit song. Eh? You hear na whole heap of dancehall song I play upon no bumbo clot R&B and a hip hop channel unless it's a big hit song. Pussy, you know what you do, you know, stop selling, sell out in everywhere, you know. You know, sell out in pride, you know. That's why you have so much chichi, man, you know. You see what I'm dealing? You know, sell out in pride. And then I see the whole lot and go like say, yo, that's what it's all about. You know, want money and I do the wrong thing, see it, you know, my virgin, man. Make you know that, you know. Yo. Paper. I'm telling you this, you know. Because the government, you know, go like saying, and feel like a joke thing, you know. Remember, you know, say, you know, them have the big man Jim Brown down a circuit, you know, court, you know. Do I die, you know. And when the big man bust off the case down there, you know, remember, you know, shot fire from circuit go straight at the Valley Garden, you know. You know, remember that, you know. Some of us want to make you know, the reason why I say that, you know, I want you to know, you know, not want to see I go on in the country can't go on without politicians, you know. And when them again say that's all thing hard and struggling for you, know, my brethren. And no joke thing, you know. Some want to know, say, you know, them they behind this shit too, you know. With this Vybz cartel scenario, you know, I make you know, you know. And no joke thing, you know. You see what I deal with? But at them thing that them indulge in, you see what I deal with? You free up the world boss, you know. Because freedom is a must, and that way I say, you know, have nothing upon the brother, free up the man now. You know what I mean? A joke thing when I go out there, think man deal with the lollipop thing. Eh? What you feel like? How long you go hold the man for? For nothing at all. For your own bumbo clad. Negligence and own bumbo clock, greed and shit what you want. What him not do? What him did for do food and him not do? Right now, you know, it look like, you know. Right now, you know, I tell you, you know. See Vybz cartel lick out pan sting, you know, him they are prison, you know. Ninja man lick out pan sting, him they are prison, you know. A good thing, you know. Bounty killer, you know. Never bumbo clock catch a case, you know. Because it look like I would have be the same thing happening to him too, you know. Because here we go on. Remember, you know, them try off a killer already, you know, and a run killer for run left the boat of them and St. Thomas people save the man, you know. And them talk about a gun him dash and them think that when I kill police and kill the man, you know. So the man burn them out of stage show over there, you know. So you don't forget them thing they and go like when you think say them boy they are some pretty boy, you know. And a lollipop thing that make you know, you know. A real thing that make you know, you know. So I want to know, you know, the general, the 10-star one represent and Gaza nation. You know my thing already, you know. When I represent, you know a lot explosion. As I said, the whole of the girl, them I said that the song there, you and me, dope. Yeah, no joke. I burn down the whole place. So big up the world boss again for that. And I say, if some boy, some artist boy will have a big name, I want to know if I wait till the world boss free. We're not going to hear about it, man. You think I joke him, we're not going to hear when time I sound the big thing there. Watch. Watch.